Hello, Nias and Diaz. Welcome to Saturday Dan Quiz. Today's questions are regarding the geography. First question: which countries are referred to as the Baltic States? Estonia, Latvia, and Lithuania are referred as Baltic States. Which tunnel links England and France? So, the Channel Tunnel links England and France. The region of Catalonia belongs to which country? It belongs to Spain. Which two South American countries host the lguazu Falls? So these countries are Argentina and Brazil. What is the largest living lizard and where does it live? So the largest living lizard is Komodo dragon that lives in Indonesia. What is the largest art museum in the world? So the largest art museum is Louvre. Which is the largest island of the Mediterranean Sea? So the largest island of Mediterranean Sea is Sicily. Which mountains have the nickname Snow Abode? So the Himalayan mountains called the Snow Abode. What is the only living structure visible from space? So only the living structure that is visible from space is the Great Barrier Reef. In what country can you find the Suez Canal? So Suez Canal is in Egypt.